Yes, dimensional analysis can be used outside chemistry. It applies to physics, engineering, and everyday problems. Dimensional analysis is a way to check and convert units, so answers make sense, like making sure you do not add apples to oranges. Think of each unit as a label you carry through a calculation. You can cancel labels that match and change labels using conversion facts, such as 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. When you set up a problem, write the number with its unit, multiply by conversion factors that equal 1, and cancel units step by step until you reach the unit you want. If the units cancel correctly and leave the target unit, the setup is likely right. And if not, you know where the mistake is. Students often forget to write units at every step, and then cannot see where cancellation should happen. So always include the units with each number and cancel them visibly. Another common mistake is using the wrong conversion factor, or its inverse, which flips the result. Check that the conversion factor has the unit you want on top, so cancellation leaves the desired unit. A third error is assuming dimensional analysis gives the numerical constant you need for complex laws. It only checks units and helps convert them. So use actual formulas or experiments for constants and rely on dimensional analysis to verify consistency. For more videos and resources on dimensional analysis and related topics, visit www.gumballdegree.com.